If you want to work on YouTube or any other video platform, one of the most important things that you have to deal with is the size of the file or video that you are going to upload. As an example, I myself that record my videos with 1080 frame size faced with files as big as 2 GB of size for just a 15 minutes video, which is often difficult to upload due to the cost and the speed of my internet. Today I will introduce you a free software called Handbrake that compresses your videos without losing its quality, so that it takes less than time to upload it. Remember that any kind of compression causes the loss of the quality, but this amount is small enough that is not clearly obvious. Totally, when you compress your videos with H.264 codec, part of the image will be lost. These formats are called lossy formats. Indeed, during the process of converting the video from one format to another, the video quality will be lost. So if your internet speed is good enough, don't compress it and upload it with its original quality. Now let's see together how we can download Handbrake and launch it together. So let's start it here. Well, you should go to this website and, depending on your operating system, download this software. Alright, I did here. For instance, here I have a video and want to compress it. First, let me check the size of this video here. Okay. And want to compress it using this software. What I should do is just import it into this software by bringing and dropping it inside this program. Alright? There are various kind of options here, and what I need is selecting my video format. Actually, the suggested video format. Remember that if you're going to put your video on your own website, I mean not YouTube actually, or not any other platform, you must check this box here. Because if you do not check this box, when someone clicks on that, video address on your website, they have to download the entire video file first, then they can watch it. But if you check the optimization box, it will be downloaded while the video is playing. Here we don't check this option because we wanna use our video for YouTube. You can also select part of the video here. For example, to do this, please set the range to seconds and specify start and end point that you want. Also, we have presets here and you can choose them depends on necessity. Here I leave 1080 with 30 frames per second. There are many other options here, so I just pass through them fast because we want to concentrate more on the main adjustments. Here, for example, you can change the size of your video in the Dimensions tab. You can also apply a filter on your video here in Filter tab. For example, you can denoise or make your video grayscale here in the Video tab. I select H.264 as my video encoder that is suggested by YouTube. Specify the frame rate option, 30 frames per second here, and go to the quality section, which has two important options. First is constant quality that has been set to 22 by default. But what is this number? Here you might ask me, what is this number and what number I should choose here? Well, if you go to his website, it describes you everything about it. And it tells you which size is suitable for you. So let me open Handbrake website here. And as you can see, if your video is 4K, you should use between 22 to 28. Also, if it is 1080, just like my video here, it is better to use 22 to 24. For 720, 19 to 23, and for lower qualities, 18 to 22 are suggested. Note that the more it goes to the right, and so closer to 0 causes higher quality, and the more it goes to the left, your file will be smaller with lower quality. Remember that your video quality doesn't increase or decrease from one point, and afterward only the size of your file goes up or down. That is why the suggested numbers have been mentioned here. So I select 22 for my video here, and after that specify where my file should be saved and press the start button. Now it's going to get the output for me depending on my settings. Based on time and quality of the video, the compression time varies. You can also specify what operation should be done after ending the process via when done section here. For example, you can tell it to turn off your camera after your compression is finished. Okay guys, it is finished, so let's check it out and compare both input and output files. Alright, now let's see together differences while playing both videos. Now remember that you can also use this option instead and set the bitrate manually. As an example, 1500 here to make the file more smaller. That is usable when you want to make and send demos as they have low qualities. Alright my friends, since now we have decided to produce various kind of videos like this to improve your workflow while producing and editing videos and working on your YouTube channel. So I hope you have learned something valuable from this, and until the next video, I wish the best for you.